So I'm feeling like it's been forever since I've mowed the freaking lawn, and it really is looking bad. The main reason, because it's just, I haven't been able to mow it in like a week, and then also haven't had much in the way of rain. So check out that pole they've got. That is the dumbest thing I think I've ever seen. Brand new home, and they're doing overhead electricity. Are you freaking kidding me? See, the pole's over there, and they didn't even have the bother to run it down under the ground and over. That would have been so easy for them to do. And now I've got this stupid power line in my view. I just don't understand why you would do that. So this just does not feel right. It doesn't feel right. It looks like it's long. It doesn't look like it's cutting off very much. Maybe my blades need sharpening or something. I don't know. I'm just kind of sad a little bit. This lawn is so dry right in here. It just needs water. It's been hard to get the lawn where I wanted to be for a couple reasons. One, this mower is awesome, but it also sucks at the same time. I hate to say it, but the walk behind does much cleaner work than this triplex. So the walk behind just cuts lower and cuts cleaner. But look at those stripes there. Isn't that amazing? I'm just gonna burn these suckers in, get my lines kind of straight. Then I need to water this lawn desperately. The Blitz 22 application, I feel like the lawn responded favorably towards that. It looks green. I need to do another application. There's my child right there in that bus. Kid's getting home from school. It's like 5:30 probably. Hi, honey. So basically what you gotta do is just keep going over this over and over and over and over and over and over it again. And that's how you get your lines burnt in and straight. So I just feel like it's been too long since I've mowed this freaking lawn. And I just am feeling a little bit jealous of anybody that has been mowing, because it's certainly not been me. But it feels good to be back in the lawn. The lawn looks so much better when it's mowed. It's amazing just what a fresh cut will do to the lawn. So I'm really wishing I can somehow try to get this stuff to grow in right here. So I just need to keep fertilizing it and watering it, and it'll eventually fill in with the bluegrass. I could throw some more seed down there. So I'm gonna get my walk behind out and kind of just mow it down. This guy right here. This walk behind is amazing. It's truly amazing how much better this thing cuts. It looks so bad though. Can't get the stripes straight. Certainly not the same cut-wise, but sure is convenient. So we've got 3 months until one of the best days of the year, the first day of winter. Wanna know why? Because that's when the days start getting longer. We're losing daylight by the second right now, but at the minute we start gaining daylight, wow, what a great day that is. Okay, so she turned out pretty dang good. I'm happy with the result. So I do see a lot of imperfections through here, mainly where I ran my walk behind through here. The walk behind cuts so much cleaner, cuts lower, cleaner. It just works much better. Look how terrible my lines are. Not good at all. But the cut is far superior. Much better cut. It's cut down so fine. Oh, I just love it. It looks so good. Oh, it's so difficult because it takes so long, and I can just accomplish so much more with the Reel Master. So this is an area that I did overseed with perennial ryegrass through here, all through here, pretty much just this whole section, and then right straight down where that flower bed is over there. So much greener and softer, just has so much more shine and brilliance to it. So over here, this is where I sprayed the Blitz 22, and that stuff worked fantastic. This is growing in. Got some bald areas that will need a little bit of TLC or whatever. This area over here, this did not get any ryegrass. This is mainly just bluegrass. So this area mainly just doesn't look and feel brilliant. It doesn't have the shine, the glimmer, the glam that say this does. That's because there's no ryegrass over here. Sprayed it all out of there, and I am thinking I need to get some more ryegrass and put that in there. It just gives that nice color, the nice shine, a beautiful, beautiful color. So here's this project here. You can see I've got this all backfilled. So right there, I just need to put that piece of sod right there, kind of lift that up. But I've got this all backfilled, pretty much cleaned up. So this trench, I plan on it settling quite a bit over the course of winter. So I ran over this with my triplex on the wheel, heavy. I'm hoping she settles just a little bit, and then in the spring I'll come back here and put some more dirt in there. It doesn't look too bad, actually. It didn't do too much damage, and it'll be fine over time. So I still plan to dig a 4-foot trench from the shed for this water line right here. Got to dig it down deep right here. It's got to be dug over to this wellhead right here. So the wellhead's right here. I've got this water hydrant here, and then right here, right below where this pipe is, I've got a tee off where I can stub in and run it over to my shed area. Then I'll have water inside the shed under frost depth. So the last thing I want to do is add a nozzle to my sprinkler head that I added in this trench over here. So I'm not sure if you can see this dry area right here or not, but it's pretty brown and nasty. And I always have a dry area right there. So I added a sprinkler head right over here somewhere. I wanted to put out a fair amount of water. I think the rest of these are all 3s. I think I'm gonna try a 5. So you set your left right here, and then you use this little screw in the back to adjust your arc. And that's probably about where I wanna have that. So let's see how she runs and what she looks like. Okay, so this one right here is the one that I just added. And you can see that area right over there. It's brown. See how it's watering that right there? That's exactly what I want. So I need to cap this guy right here. That one's just robbing me of my pressure. I gotta cap that guy. Okay, so just put this like that. Just gonna take this off like this. Put this cap on there. Okay, so that will pretty much permanently disable that head. So that's much better pressure-wise, much better. Main thing I'm really after is I want that brown spot right there to get water. I am so sick of dealing with that brown spot every year. It looks like my pressure's okay. It's not great. I could adjust that guy right there. If you can see that head, it's way down in the ground right there. Way too low. I'm gonna raise this thing up. Put this on there like that. Put this in here. And this goes like this. Okay, so I got it lifted up right there. That was crazy. I got this one. That's hopefully gonna fix that brown spot there. I think we're good. So that's it for this video. Just kind of did a little bit of mowing, a little bit of sprinkler work, whatever. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, hit the like button, all that stuff, and I will see you in the next one. You know what's even cooler? He's got a golf green over there on an island. See that?
And there's a little golf course.
Do you see that? That was amazing. That's the result of several years of clogging experience when she was a child. Huh? So that's it. Just come up here, take a photo of this cool place. It's pretty close to where I live, like maybe 5-minute drive. And this place is amazing. Golf green over here in the back. River here, and if you can believe it, all of this water comes from a spring just right out of the hill or the mountainside right there. All of it's coming right out of a spring, just crazy amounts of water. Pretty cool place.